Welcome to How the Kuntzes Are Coping with Quarantine. There's Trevor. Hey Trevor! We're gonna take care of some things that have been needing to be taken care of since we moved into our house. This is what we've got going on. We've got a pile of wood that Trevor is going to cut up into this size pieces to replace all this wood right here. And Duke thinks that's his new toy. And you may ask yourself, why does this wood need replacing? This is part of the reason. Termites are an issue. Duke decided to chew on this as a puppy, so that's why this board is smaller than the rest, but it's still in pretty rough shape. I could just like yank that off if I really wanted to. Desmond, you're super strong. Oh, Allie's strong too, but Dad's the strongest. I'm not the kind of person who will let good fire go to waste, so I'm putting those old boards to good use right now. What do you think about the fire? The delirium is setting in. I might have gotten a little too ambitious with my fire skills. It'll be okay. I mean, technically it's still in a fire pit. Still in a fire pit. We're good. Do you think we got a little overzealous with the fire?
I think someone did. Do you want to knock all of these boards out?
I barely touched that. Hi! We're taking the fence down. Okay. Yep, termites. In case anyone is wondering, should I treat my wood? Should I use treated wood?
Think it's in that?
Yes, the answer is always yes. Ooh, look, a snake. Hey snake, why don't you eat those termites?
The next day.
Trevor's got a little bit of the fence put up over there, but I get the lovely task of finding each and every screw from this massive bonfire that we had yesterday so that we don't impale ourselves. Hopefully, it's not just good, it's good enough. How do you feel?
Tired.
Yeah? Not accomplished?
Yeah.
We now have 1, 2, 3, 4.5. That counts as 5 sections done. And a doggy door. All right, what do you think?
I feel a little bit more accomplished.
Yeah? It looks pretty good. Sounds a lot more solid than it did a couple days ago. I could probably push that through. This is a big yikes. Big yikes right now. This is why we're replacing all of this, because all of that is termites. Something looks different. Can't put my finger on it. Something. Round 2 of the big fire. Almost done. We still have to fix this door, but I won't bore you with that. It's basically done. We put like screens up over here to keep the mosquitoes out. I'm going to enjoy sitting out here and not be eaten by mosquitoes. Now that the work is out of the way, we're gonna do something leisurely next week, and all I can say is it's different from everything that we've done up until this point, and you are not going to want to miss it. So subscribe so that you will not miss next week's video, because it's all I can say is you're not gonna want to miss it. With that being said, I hope you guys really do have a great week, and we will see y'all later. Bye.